Welcome to Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhunde High School, Lonavala. Standard 1, Subject Maths, representing Teacher Poonam Gaikwad. Children, in the last video, we studied about how to compare objects on the basis of their length, that is, long and short. Today, let us see how to compare objects on the basis of their heights. Children, when we compare objects on the basis of their height, they can be grouped as tall or short objects. So, children, our topic for today is tall and short. Children, we know how objects can be compared on the basis of their lengths. We already learned about the long and short concept in our last video. Today, let us see how we can compare two objects based on their heights. Today, we will learn about the concept of tall and short. Just as objects are big and small in size, they can be tall and short in height. When we have two objects of unequal height, we can say one is tall and the other is short. Now see children, here in this picture, the ostrich is a tall bird while the kiwi is a short bird. Here, Tom is tall and Jerry is short. The giant wheel is tall while the toy train is short. Now look at the two animals, children. The giraffe is tall while the cheetah is short. Or we can also say that the cheetah is short and the giraffe is tall. This is a tall slide and this is a short seesaw. Now see children, here the ladder is tall and the table is short, or the table is short and the ladder is tall. So children, are you understanding the tall and short concept? Okay, let us see some more examples. Now children, here let us cross the tall object. So which object will you cross? Yes, right. This object is tall. Now let us circle the short animal. So can you tell me which animal is short? Yes, the rabbit is short and the elephant is tall. So we will circle the rabbit here. Now let us circle the short desk. So which is the short desk over here? This or this? Yes, this is a short desk. So we will circle the short desk. Now cross the tall tree here. Which is the tall tree? Yes, this is the tall tree. Now here, which monkey is tall? Yes, this monkey is tall. Now here, which animal is tall? Yes, this one is tall. Now in this, which is the short house? Circle the short house. Yes, very good. This is the short house. Now again circle the short object. Which is the short object? Yes, this is the short object. Now which object is tall? The pencil or the eraser? Yes, the pencil is tall. Now here which clock is short? Yes, this is a short clock. Now again tick the short mountain. Which is the short mountain? Yes, this is the short mountain. Now which fruit over here is short? Apple or banana? Right, apple is short. So children, what did we learn today? We learned that when we have two objects of unequal height, one is tall and the other is short. So children, try comparing objects around you. Thank you.